Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your iPhone is stuck in zoom mode. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to simply restart your iPhone. So the easiest and simplest way of fixing iPhone stuck on zoom in mode is restarting the iPhone. So you can turn it off and then turn it on again. So to do this, just press the hold the sleep slash wake button till you see the slide, and then drag it to turn off your phone, and then you can just repeat the same procedure to turn on your device again. So here's a guide for you if you don't know the buttons of an iPhone. And then after that, you can try and exit a zoom mode with your three fingers. So might laugh at this method, but most of the time it works pretty well in solving your iPhone stuck in zoom mode problems. All you need to do is just double tap on the iPhone's zoom screen with your finger or your three fingers. If successful, your screen will go from zoom mode into the normal view mode. And then next, what you can do is to triple click the home button. So if your iPhone is having problems with the zoom feature, you can fix it by tapping the three times on the home button. And if it does not work, you can check if the zoom feature is set properly. So you can set it by following the steps right here. So first, you just need to go into your settings and just click into the general tab. So after that, just go to the accessibility tab and click the accessibility shortcut to set the triple click the home button for zoom. So you can tap three times to enter the zoom in or enter the zoom in mode and exit by repeating it again. And then lastly, what you can do is to reset all settings. So this one is one of the last methods that you should do when when you are trying to fix the iPhone stuck on your zoom in mode. Because you to do this, you first still need to back up all of your files in for you to be able to reset your iPhone settings, because your files might be deleted, or your files will be deleted if you do this step right here, or you do this solution. So if you want to reset all your settings, what you'll need to do is to go to your iPhone settings and click into their general tab, and after that click onto the reset button, and just lastly just click onto the erase all content and settings. So these two options right here. So just wait for a few minutes for the device to return the factory settings, then set your iPhone afresh. So that's it for this video. That's how you can fix if your iPhone is stuck on zoom in mode. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.